What's up guys? Today I'm gonna talk about how to make money online. You can start Amazon FBA dropshipping. You can buy product at Alibaba lower price and sell on Amazon with higher price. You can sell on YouTube lot of video how to sell FBA, Amazon FBA, and how to buy Alibaba. But you can see a lot of video at YouTube. Second thing is Amazon affiliate marketing. You can create an affiliate program on Amazon and you can share product. You go buy, you can share link and anybody buy in your link product. You can generate some income. You can see what of video how to do on YouTube. Third is start video editing. You can edit water people video, YouTube video, reels, TikTok, etc. You can create a website and sell your video editing service. You can sell how to make video editing, lot of tutorial on YouTube. You can go and see this type of video. It is starting a YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel to make money. Some criteria YouTube has 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time. How to grow your YouTube channel quickly. You can upload a video how to go fast on YouTube. As you can see in my playlist, and I am put this video in this video description as well. Thanks for watching. See you next video.